Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Wildcard from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So I'm gonna draw a semicircle line for the shape of his head, and I'm gonna extend the front on the left here downwards, and I'm gonna turn it in towards the chin and across a line right there, and diagonally back up on the left side. And I'm gonna add a rectangular shape in this corner right there, and a line down and another line down at this point, and I'm gonna draw a similar shape at this upper point, right there, and in the middle of the head on top another one, and on the left side of the face I'm gonna add a rectangular shape at this point and another one here. Now for his eye, I'm gonna take this point and draw a line across, diagonal turn down and back in and down and across a line at the bottom right there, and diagonal lines for the inner corner of his eye right there. I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Now for the left side, we're gonna draw a similar shape. And from the inner corner of the right eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally to the left and sharp turn back down to the side. I'm gonna do a similar shape for the lower point right there, and below the mask I'm gonna draw a curved line at the side, semicircle turn at the corner downwards, and turn it diagonally down to the middle and downwards, and then on the left side a curved line down from this point and extend it all the way down as well. Now going back to the right side, a curved line down at this point, turn it inwards and sideways, and from this point a diagonal line outwards, turn it down to the middle point again, and from the side of the collar I'm gonna draw a curved line down to the shoulders, semicircle turn at the side and down. And for the inner shirt I'm gonna draw a triangle shape at this corner to the middle and a curved line down from that point, a line down from this point, another line down on the right side, and a curved line across. Below that, on both sides I'm going to draw a line down and a diagonal line from the side here to the center, turn it downwards, and a diagonal line on the left side here, and on the left collar, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, turn it downwards, and for the shoulder, curved line out and turn it downwards at the side. For his arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the side of the shoulder here, and then I'm gonna extend it downwards and make a turn inwards from that point, and a curved line at the sleeve of the suit. And for the outer line, I'm gonna extend the line at the side here all the way to the elbow, semicircular turn to the left. I'm gonna add a few circle shape at the side of the arm here, and at the sleeve I'm gonna draw another line coming out to the left, curved line across, and copy that again at this point. And for his glove, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, turn it downwards, and for the other finger, curved line out, semicircular turn down. I'm gonna copy that again for the other fingers, turn it down, semicircular turn diagonally in, and copy that shape again, and semicircular turn at the tip, and follow the same shape, and at the side of the hand I'm going to draw a curved line right there. And for the other hand on the left, a semicircular line at this point, turn it to the right, semicircular turn down, and copy the same shape again for the other finger. And for the finger at the side here, I'm going to take this point and draw a curved line diagonally down and out and back up, and a curved line across at this point. And then I'm going to draw a circular shape surrounding that curved line. And from this point below, I'm going to draw a curved line out, turn it back up, and all the way to the side. And then for the suit, I'm gonna continue this line downwards. Same goes to the other side, and this middle line right here. And then on the right side of the suit, I'm gonna add a rectangular shape right here, and a curved line from the left shoulder down, and below the arms I'm gonna continue the line of the suit and turn it inwards, semicircular turn up, back to the hand, and the inner line of the suit, semicircular turn out at the lower point, slightly diagonally to the back, and then I'm gonna make a turn upwards. And then for the pockets at the side, I'm gonna add a rectangular shape here with a line across at the top section right here. And in the middle point for the jacket, I'm gonna add a short line here and a short line right there. And for the line of the vest, I'm gonna continue it down, a diagonal turn to the right, and a diagonal line below that and sideways. Below the jacket, we're gonna draw his pants. So I'm gonna draw a line down from the right side here, and from the middle point, curved line down and towards the knee, gonna slightly flare it out and back down, and flare it out at the ankle and back down and out. And I'm gonna do a similar shape for the inner line of the legs here, and at the lower point I'm gonna make a diagonal turn across and back down on the right side right there. Now for his shoes, I'm gonna draw a curved line down on both sides, a curved line across, and a line down on both sides below that, and across curved line again, and some curved line across for the knots, and another one below that. And at the side I'm going to draw a semicircle line, and we're going to copy the same shape at the lower point right here. And for the left leg I'm going to draw a similar shape, curve line down, turn it inwards at the knee, continue that line down, flare it out and in and back out. And for the inner line, a curved line from this point, flare it out below the knee point and back in, and flare it out again and in and out. And for the line below the pants, I'm gonna draw across a curved line upwards at the inner line right there. And for the shoe, the diagonal line out, turn sideways and turn it downwards. And for the back part of the shoe, curve line down, and I'm gonna join the front point and the back with a curved line across, a line down on both the front and the back, and across another curved line for the base of the shoe. And I'm gonna copy the same shape of the knots at this point right there, and then I'm gonna take the middle point of the pants on the left and draw a curved line down, following the same path as the inner line of the legs all the way down. If you have a gray colored pen with you right now, we're gonna trace the same shape of the upper line of the eye across, and I'm gonna thicken that whole piece above the eye, and we're gonna do the same thing on the right side here as well. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.